Hello everyone. Welcome to this video tutorial. I am an AI avatar created by Rakin Jakaria. In this tutorial, I will break down how to make an AI avatar, and after following this tutorial, you can easily create an AI avatar like me.
So now you can see that I'm in here Canva dashboard. So if you don't have any account, I have given the link on the description box so you can easily go and sign up from there. Then came here video. After that came here apps. Then go to the search bar and search here Heygen. Then click this app. Then scroll down and click here sign up or sign in. Then click here connect. Now you can sign up with Google, Facebook, also you can sign up with email. So click here sign up with email. If you want to use your email, that's fine, otherwise you can use a temporary email. If you want to use a temporary email address, go to in a search bar and search here temp mail. Now you can see that there are lots of temple websites. I'll go with the first one. Now our email address is generating. Then click here to copy. Then go to Canva again. Then paste the email here. Then click here send code. Now you can see that a verification code has been sent. Then go to temp mail website again. Then scroll down. Now you can see that Heygen has sent us email. Click this email. Then copy the code. Go to Canva again and paste the code here. Then click here next step. Now you can see that we have to set a password here. After the password, click here done. After that, our account setup has been completed. So now we can use Heygen AI avatars. But in here you can see that these avatars are not free. So if you want to use a free avatar, you can use these photos. Otherwise, you can upload your own generated photo. So in here, I'll use a generated photo. So let me show you how I generate a photo. So my friends, you can see that to generate an image, I'm in here Leonardo AI. I had given the link on the description box, so you can easily go and check up there. Then I'll go with image generation. Then I have to give a prompt here. Give a prompt according to yourself. To improve your prompt, click here and then go with improve prompt. Then choose the present here. I'll go with cinematic kino. Then choose the present style. I'll go with cinematic. And then choose the contrast. I'll go with high. Then go with the quality. Now the image dimension. Remember that our video is 16:9. So a photo also have to be 16:9 ratio. So click here 16:9. Also you can choose the dimensions here, small, medium or large. I'll go with large. Then click here number of images. I'm going 4. Then click here advanced settings. Then choose a model here. I'll go with Leonardo Kino XL. In here you can on this, also you can off this, but I'm going with this option, photoreal. After that, click here generate. Now our image is generating. Now you can see that our image has generated. So choose the photo you like. I'm going with this one. Then click here, download. After downloading the image, go to Canva again. Now we have to upload that photo here. Our photo is uploading. Now you can see that our image is uploaded. Then click the image. And after selecting the image, you can also select a view mode. I'll go with this one. Then scroll down. Then you can see that we have to give a text here. I'm giving a random text here. Also in here, you can give your audio here. You can upload your own audio. Also you can upload a audio that has been generated by using AI. But I'm going with text here. Then in here, choose a voice. I have to choose a voice here. Then I'll go with see all. Our AI avatar is male, so I'm going with male. Then choose a voice from here. I'm going with Tony. Then click here, use. Then scroll down. Then click here, generate AI video. Now our AI video is generating, so we have to wait a little bit. So my friends, you can see that our video has generated. And to add the design, just click here, add to design. Now you can see that this video has added here. And to increase the size, you can also drag this video. And also you can click here at the right mouse and then go with set video as background. So here's the video, but here you can see that they are saying you have 0.7 video credits left in Heygen. So it's mean in Heygen you can make 1 minute video for every free account. So if you want to use this for multiple times and in free mode, just click here and then go with remove from your apps. And then click this app again. And then click here, Heygen. Now you can see that we are in Heygen official website. Then click here, get started. Then click here, sign up with email. Then go to temp mail website again. And then click here, delete. It will generate a new temporary email address to us. Now you can see that a new email address has been generated. Then click here to copy. Then go to Heygen website again. Then paste the email address here. Then click here, send code. After that, a verification code has been sent to our email address. Then go to temp mail website again. Then click the email. Then copy the code here. Go to Heygen website again. Then paste the code here. Then click here, next step. After that, give a password here. After giving the password, click here, done. Now you can see that our registration has been completed. Then go to Canva again. Then click here, open. Now you can see that they are saying you have 1 video credits left in Heygen. So the full process has been regenerated again. So that's how you can use Heygen AI avatars for multiple times for free. But remember that when you go to Heygen website again, be sure that you log out from the Heygen website and then create an account again. And to download the video, simply click here, File, then click here, Download, then click here, Download. It will take some time, then you can download this in your selected folder. So that's it. That's how you can make an AI avatar. I hope this video is really helpful to you. And everything in this video that I said is only for educational purposes. And if you're new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Peace.